Hi, I'm dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see how to use Liquify tool in Krita. This is our image, and let's change a little bit, for example, this chicken. So I'm going to the layer with the chicken, choosing it, and zoom in a little bit. And in order to liquify, I have to use transform tool. I'm doing left click over this tool. This is area which will be transformed. Let's do right click over it, and from all those actions I will choose liquify. Okay, now I will do left click over my chicken, and by holding it I'm changing what I want to change. And there are different two options you can choose, but I will not change anything except maybe of size of the brush. For deformation, you can do it by changing it, by entering the size by typing, or by sliding the slider, for example. Let it be something like that. I think it's good. And one more thing I can change is to do it a little bit faster. Something like this. That's it. Thank you. Bye.